For this project, we're going to build a lightweight sketch easel. This is basically two pieces of plywood held together with adjustable hinges that allow you to hold your sketchbook up in front of you while you're working. Now, why do you need an easel? You can hold your sketchbook or your work in your lap, theoretically, but you don't really want to have your work down in your lap where you have to look down and then up at the subject. It makes it much harder to get accuracy. Also, you don't want to sit on the ground, and only by having an easel can you stand or sit with your work in front of you. But let me show you a variety of different kinds of easels just to give you an idea of the range that are possible. This is a French easel made of wood. It's the traditional three-legged wooden easel that's still the best way if you want to hold a large oil painting in front of you in a very stable way. But it's heavy. It's the size of a suitcase. And it takes a long time to set up. It's fairly cumbersome, especially if you're talking about watercolor or something more portable. Now, other lighter easels for oil painting have been developed over the years. This one is called the Open Box M pochade easel. And the modern pochade easels all attach to a camera tripod. So they have a mounting plate in the back that allow you to attach to any standard camera tripod. This one is nice because it has the area for your mixing surface, which I use a polyethylene coated paper for my oil painting mixing surface, and it has adjustable grippers at the top for holding the painting to the easel. This is the one that I like because it has a way of holding the top part at a different angle in relation to the bottom part. And then because it's a camera tripod, the whole thing is adjustable in every dimension. You can angle it this way, you can turn it, you can raise and lower it. So you have full control over the adjustability of the painting. Now, taking that as a starting point, I made my own pochade easel designed for watercolor sketchbooks. And this one uses a piece of plywood, and it has a couple of hinges here for holding your palette. And then it has this piece of furniture hardware that is normally used as a kind of a cabinet hinge. And the reason for this thing is to have a camera bar for holding a camera in relation to the painting. But it turns out I don't really use a camera in a fixed position that often, so I don't really need the camera bar. And I don't think that the back panel needs to be the full width of the sketchbook held open. It can actually be shorter and still be able to hold the painting open. So I wanted to make this basic idea, but smaller. And that's really what this one's going to be. This is the sketch easel that I use now. And it also fits on the top of a camera tripod using a quick release plate on the back. And it fits right on there. So that you can adjust again, the height and the angle and turn it whichever way you want. And then the sketchbook will clip right onto there. What's neat about this one is that it has magnets attached into the base so that a metal box of any kind will hold on to it and hold on by the power of the magnets. So that's what we're going to build.